Hello, this is a Robin's Nest by Terry. Let's paint today. Hello, this is a Robin's Nest by Terry. This is Dishes from Around the World. Our host is Penny's Lifestyle Living and Grace Life DIY. Today, Terry will be making one of her family traditions, which is Norwegian coffee. And as we know, some of us, coffee is a major food group.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a pot of Norwegian coffee. First of all, I put 7 cups of water inside of my enamel coffee pot. You don't have to use any of the insides to your coffee pot. You're just boiling water. First step, we're going to use 3/4 cup of any type of coffee grounds that you have available. And then I'm going to take 1 egg, and we're going to crack that egg and put it inside of our coffee grounds. This is a coffee that my great-grandparents and my mother and her family all used for their morning coffee. So I'm going to mix it up good. It's going to be kind of like a thick cake batter. What they call it is a sludge. Okay, be careful with these coffee pots because they are very hot on the handles. Put your coffee grounds right into the pot. Now we're going to add in the eggshell, just as it is. Mix that all up. Then we're going to put it back on the stove and let it boil for 3 more minutes. When it's ready, using a strainer, pour your coffee into your cup. And now you have a fresh cup of coffee. I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of it into a bowl so you can see what's at the bottom. You can see there's a cooked egg yolk in there, eggshells. This would be perfect for plants or your garden. I'm going to put the rest of the coffee back in the coffee pot and save it for later. And now you have a pot of Norwegian coffee.